if you're ever in a pinch with your thrower,
you just have a truck battery.
Just pop out your truck battery, you're done.
Easy.
Hook it right up. See you later. You can shoot for a couple weeks on that sucker. Got the new unit in here. Let me see this thing. Oh, buddy. Old Kicks High Flyer, modified. This was busted off for a while. He's finally glued that sucker in. So how did you have to put that in?
You thread lock the main, the knot, sand it, all thread almost. Set that halfway in, sand it, and then you put this on, screw it to where it's just a quarter of the way, or see where it lines up, all thread almost. Sand it, and then the last quarter you just send it.
And then just tight right where it is, tight.
Yep. You thread lock that piece too.
Dude, I'll tell you what, that kicks on there. Woo,
it makes a difference.
Man. Thing's huge.
Swing. I don't think I'm gonna use it though.
Why? What do you mean?
Think?
I'm like, yeah, I just got this in, I'm not gonna use it though.
I don't know.
Throw it right in there.
Brand new. What if it sits there and
use it? What size did you get?
double extra long?
Double X. Oh man. You loosen up the side straps.
What do you mean? That don't do nothing. It's loose. It's just slim fit. Big boy slim fit. That's all.
Oh god. Guys, we really need a wireless adapter for the old thrower because
look at that.
Just dump a whole unit in there.
Unit, I got about 4 more I could put.
4 more boxes.
Easy.
4 boxes in one pocket.
Oh, I don't know about. I mean, I don't know, man. Look at this deep.
That is pretty deep. We need a wireless remote for our thrower because this is a 25-foot thing there. So.
Where's the bucket? You got a bucket?
Dude,
I'm going over here.
I can't take you serious with that on. You look like a chef. You're gonna go cook up some.
Dude.
You're gonna bake some cookies or
something. It's the real deal. Just gives me lumbar support.
Kidney belt.
That's exactly what it is. Well, when I go over here, I'm gonna start throwing them.
I don't even have any bolts in the ready.
Well, let's go. Guys,
this is the 3rd outing with the old Super Black Eagle 3. I definitely have it figured out now. It shoots like very good. It took me probably 2 times, 1.5 times to really get a handle on how this thing works. I really don't think it shoots that high. Everyone's like, dude, this shoots so high. I don't think it shoots that high. I think it shoots just normal. Maybe like a 60-40. That's not that high in my opinion. Like 60% of BB's above, 40% below. You've officially lost it. Area 67, we'll dig a pond down in the bottom of the valley down there. And this will be our spot for pretty much everything. YouTube, hunting, duck hunting, you know, you name it. There you go. We're going to get really tore up about some pro duck callers on here, you know, getting in the comments. But hey, just having fun.
Tips and tricks. Why don't you help us out? That'll make fun. Help us out.
Tips and tricks. All right, we're going to get loaded up here. Super Black Eagle 3. And we're going to see if we can make some stuff happen. I don't even have earplugs in yet. We're just going to do this.
Red ski?
Yeah, go for it.
You want me to watch you or the bird?
The bird.
Oh, Jesus.
Or whatever you want.
You ready?
Yep. Misfire.
I don't know if it was a misfire. That was a miss bird.
I got a piece of that one off it.
You dye your beard?
You use purple.
I use brown to turn blue. I already washed it like 3 times in that or whatever. I tried to get the blue out of it. A lot of blue.
His shirt. All right, go ahead. Last one. That's a crippled bird, like to the max.
You ain't got room inside. It's like spandex on you. Ready? Yep. Go ahead. I can't believe I missed that motherfucker. Go ahead. Go ahead. shot behind that again.
So you got one for 3.
Yeah, I'm getting worse.
Hey, at least it's a nice day.
It is beautiful.
You can't complain about the day.
What, Dan wasn't allowed to come?
Guys, so I put about 500 rounds through the old, you would say about 500, right?
Close.
Couple cases, I mean, so I mean, look at this. That's heavy. That's a lot of shells in there.
Go ahead. You missed that one, huh? Huh?
2 for 3.
Damn.
First shot, new choke tube. Things are pretty fresh unit, I'm telling you that. What do you think? You think you're gonna hit it? How is your left to rights? Rights. I can't.
I think they're all right.
I don't even know left to right. My lefts to rights are confused.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, you hit it.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh. Oh, man. The old kicks high flyer. Someone's going to see us using that, and they're going to be like, you can't shoot that target load through that choke.
All the bias ones.
Can you or can't you? We don't know.
You can shoot anything you want, through any gun you want.
Yeah, shoot it. I take that back.
Good. How far can you shoot?
What happened?
I was trying to let him get out there a little longer.
You guys are 10 for 10. I ain't bringing a pistol for you today.
It's live action.
Good. Good. Jesus.
I think the wad's going to hit it.
Got on there, catch all these.
There you go. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Nothing on that one? Nothing. I was pretty under it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm getting on them now.
I heard it. I heard the BBs hit it. You hear it? It was like... One more. I just put one in.
Let's use as many as you want. You're on them now.
Okay. I think I figured out the lead. We got a little more of a flat fly out. Shoo! All right. You tell me when.
He's ready.
Oh.
Good. Good.
You're 3 on.
What? Yes, he did. Good.
They're flying right away from you. Guys, this is all just a bunch of fun out here, you know? We just joke with each other a little bit.
You saw the wounded duck.
We had a ton of broken ones, a ton of misfires on the old thrower here. Literally, we were getting hit in the face. But we've been using Champion clays.
The whole time. It's all the same.
These boxes, I don't know if they're old or something,
Fellas, baby.
but they're like really brittle. I mean, they were just
it.
breaking. Oh my God, yeah, I'm right in the red zone. Oh. I don't know, are they old, you think?
Junked us.
We had a ton of broken ones.
$2 more.
No, they were $1 more.
But they were $6.
$6.99 at
$7.99.
Rural King. $7.99 at
$1 more.
Cabela's.
$1 more and they fucking suck.
Yep.
It'll be darker than this when they're coming in the morning.
So what we're doing here is we are preparing for a duck hunting trip that we're going to. When are we going?
When?
So here's my prediction for that. Mid-range, ducks are down. You know, they're down. Mid-range are down. Far to short,
In trouble.
I don't know. There's a mosquito. I don't know if we can cut far to short, you know. So we got practice because we're using modified chokes right now. So that's like mid-range, right? We're not getting on them quick enough to hit them in the short range.
On what?
Huh?
On what?
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
So I don't know. Another good day. We went through a case and a half of shells, 3 cases of clays. Third day in the books, Super Black Eagle. What do you think?
It's a good day. I don't know. I don't even know where you were.
Probably 600 rounds through the old gun already so far. 600 rounds through it so far.
Probably close.
Close to six. Yeah, somewhere in the ballpark.
Yeah, because when you did everything.
550 to 600.
75 to 100 today.
Haven't even cleaned it yet.
How many shells can you put through it before you have to clean it?
Ultimate test. I mean, I don't know. We're gonna find out.
You said you only have to clean it once a year.
Right, clean it once a year.
Don't fix something ain't broke.
You guys are gonna hate that. You see the moon out there? All right, time to go.